Welcome to Profitora Hub, the place where smart ideas turn into real income and financial freedom becomes possible for anyone willing to learn and take action. Today we are diving into something powerful, practical, and proven. We are talking about the top 5 passive income ways that actually work in 2026. Not outdated methods, not fake promises, real strategies that people are using right now to build steady income streams. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Profitora Hub, like this video, share it with your friends, follow the channel, and drop a comment below telling us which passive income idea you are most excited to try. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you every week. Now let's get started. Number 1. Dividend investing. Dividend investing remains one of the most reliable passive income methods in 2026. The idea is simple. You buy shares of strong companies that regularly share a portion of their profits with investors. These payments are called dividends. When you hold dividend-paying stocks or exchange-traded funds, you receive income every quarter or every month depending on the company. The key in 2026 is not just buying random stocks. Smart investors focus on stable companies with a history of consistent dividend growth. Many people also use dividend-focused funds to reduce risk and spread their money across multiple companies. Over time, as you reinvest the dividends, your portfolio grows faster because of compounding. This means you earn money on your original investment and on the dividends that were reinvested. With online broker apps and low trading fees, starting is easier than ever. Even small monthly investments can grow into a meaningful income stream over several years. The most powerful part is that once your money is invested, it works for you without daily effort. You are not trading every hour. You are building long-term wealth while focusing on your career, business, or other projects. Number 2. Digital products and online courses. In 2026, knowledge is one of the most valuable assets. If you have a skill such as graphic design, coding, video editing, fitness coaching, language teaching, or even social media marketing, you can package your expertise into digital products. This could be an online course, an ebook, templates, presets, or downloadable guides. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them unlimited times. Platforms for course hosting and digital downloads have become more user-friendly, and payment systems are smoother than ever. With the rise of artificial intelligence tools, content creation is faster, but your unique experience and voice still make the difference. Many creators use social media, email marketing, and video platforms to attract an audience. Once trust is built, selling becomes natural. You can wake up to notifications of sales while you sleep. Of course, the beginning requires effort. You need to plan the content, record it, edit it, and market it. But once everything is live and optimized, it becomes a semi-passive system that can generate income month after month. Number 3. High-yield savings and cash management accounts. While this method may not make you rich overnight, it is one of the safest passive income strategies in 2026. High-yield savings accounts and modern cash management accounts now offer better interest rates than traditional banks. This means your money earns interest while staying accessible and relatively low risk. With interest rates fluctuating globally, many online financial institutions compete to offer attractive returns. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you can place your emergency fund or short-term savings into these accounts. The interest compounds over time, and you can withdraw your money when needed. This method works best for people who want stability and liquidity. It is also a smart foundation before moving into higher-risk investments. Think of it as building a strong financial base. Even though returns are lower compared to stocks or real estate, the peace of mind and guaranteed growth make it a powerful part of a passive income strategy. Number 4. Real estate through REITs and rental platforms. Real estate has always been a classic passive income source, but in 2026 it is more accessible than ever. You no longer need to buy an entire property to start earning from real estate. Real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs, allow you to invest in property portfolios that include apartments, shopping centers, offices, and warehouses. When these properties generate rental income, a large portion of profits is distributed to investors as dividends. This allows you to benefit from real estate without managing tenants or dealing with repairs. Some investors also use short-term rental platforms or property management companies to automate their rental properties. With smart locks, automated payments, and professional management services, real estate can become closer to passive than ever before. The key is proper research, location analysis, and understanding market trends before investing. Number 5. Automated online businesses. One of the most exciting passive income trends in 2026 is building automated online businesses. This can include print-on-demand stores, affiliate marketing websites, YouTube automation channels, or dropshipping with fulfillment services. The concept is to build a system that runs with minimal daily involvement. For example, with affiliate marketing, you create content that recommends products. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. With print-on-demand, designs are uploaded once, and whenever someone orders a product, the supplier handles printing and shipping. Automation tools now manage emails, customer service responses, inventory updates, and marketing campaigns. The initial setup requires time, testing, and patience. But once traffic and systems are optimized, the business can generate income around the clock. This method works best for people who are willing to learn digital marketing and understand that real passive income is built step by step. It is not instant, but when done correctly, it can become a powerful and scalable income stream. That wraps up our top 5 passive income ways that actually work in 2026. Remember, passive income does not mean no effort. It means front-loaded effort that creates long-term rewards. Choose one method, focus on it, stay consistent, and allow time to do its magic. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe to Profitora Hub, like this video, share it with someone who needs financial motivation, follow the channel, and comment below which income stream you are planning to start this year. Thank you for watching Profitora Hub, and we will see you in the next video.